Good morning, Rainbow Room. Mrs. Blewett here. Today in Numeracy, we are learning about subtraction again. In fact, it's our last lesson on subtraction today. We are subtracting by counting back. Hope you enjoy it.
Today we are going to count all the way to 90. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Fantastic counting, well done. Today we are writing the numbers from 1 to 30. See if you can write all of those numbers with all of the numbers facing the correct way and formed correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you're going to need to pause the video while you get your pencil and paper from your home learning pack, and I'd like you to copy the numbers from 1 to 30, trying really carefully to keep the numbers facing the right direction. Off you go. Today, Rainbow, our target is to subtract by counting back. So a little bit like last time, but today you're going to be doing the subtracting by counting back. So I'm going to be looking to see that you can recognise the symbols subtract and equals, and that you can make the correct number of jumps to subtract. Today we are learning more about subtraction. Do you remember last time we learned how to subtract by counting back? Let's have a look at one of the problems that we solved last time. Let's do another one. This time we're going to start on 8. 8. And we're going to subtract 3. Now, how many jumps am I going to make if we're going to subtract 3? We're going to count back how many jumps? Yeah, we're going to count back 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Where did I land? I landed on 5. So the answer is 5. 8 subtract 3 equals 5. Today we are going to continue with our subtracting by counting back. So let's read the subtraction number sentence together. 7 subtract 5 equals blank. Now I know I need to start on the first number, so I'm going to start on 7. How many jumps am I making backwards? How many am I subtracting? Yes, I'm subtracting 5, so I'm going to do 5 jumps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did I land? I landed on the number 2. So the answer is 2. 7 subtract 5 equals 2. My subtraction number sentence this time is 6 subtract 3 equals blank. So I'm going to start on 6. How many am I subtracting? How many do I need to count back? I need to count back 3. So let's count back 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 subtract 3 equals 3. Let's do another one. I'm sure you're starting to get the idea now. My subtraction is 9 subtract 4 equals. So I'm going to start on the number 9. I'm subtracting 4, that means I'm counting back. Remember, when we subtract, the number gets smaller. So we're going down the number line, we're going backwards down the number line. So we're doing 4 jumps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did I land? I landed on the number 5. So the answer is 5. 9 subtract 4 equals 5. Now you're starting to remember what we need to do. Our number sentence is 8 subtract 5 equals blank. Which number do I need to start on? You're right, I need to start on 8, the number at the start of the number sentence. So I'm going to start at 8. But how many jumps am I going to make? How do I know? Look at the number sentence. It says 8 subtract 5. So I need to subtract 5. Remember, when I subtract, I am counting back. I am going backwards down the number line. So let's do our 5 jumps going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did I land? I landed on number 3. So 8 subtract 5 equals 3. Let's do one more together and then it will be your turn to have a go. So my number sentence is 10 subtract 6. Which number am I going to start on? Yeah, I start on the first number in my number sentence. So I'm going to start at number 10 on the number line. How many am I subtracting? I am subtracting 6, so I am counting back 6 because we are subtracting by counting back. Let's do 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did I land? I landed on the number 4. So the answer is 4. So my number sentence reads 10 subtract 6 equals 4. Well done. Super subtracting, everyone. Now it's your turn. you will need to pause the video while you get out a piece of paper and a pencil from your home learning pack. And if you've got a number line at home, you could get that too. Don't worry if you don't, you could get a grown-up to draw you a number line, a straight line with the numbers written from 0 to 10, just like the one on the screen. But if you can't do that either, don't worry, because you can use my number line on the screen to do your subtracting. So the first number sentence is 6 subtract 3 equals. So you are going to need to pause the video and write that number sentence. Then you are going to need to work out the answer by doing the jumps on the number line on my screen. So use your finger to start on the first number, number 6, and do the 3 jumps to work out the answer, and that's the number that you're going to write in the blank. So then you will have written the whole sentence, the number sentence and the answer. So pause the video while you do that. Let's see how you got on with this one. Which number did you start on? Did you look at the first number, 6, and know that's where you needed to start? Well done, you did. So you started on number 6, and have you done your 3 jumps going backwards? 1, 2, 3. I landed on number 3, so the answer is number 3. If you got the same answer as me, give yourself a tick, well done. If you didn't, don't worry. Have a look at the number line again. I realise it's quite tricky for you to do the jumps on the screen when you haven't got a number track and a pen like me. So have a look at your answer and just write the correct number next to it. Well done for trying. Pause the video while you have a go at 10 subtract 8. Remember to write down the number sentence and the answer. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This one says 10 subtract 8 equals blank. So you needed to start on the number 10. So I'm going to start on the number 10, and how many jumps did I need to make going backwards? Yeah, you needed to make 8 jumps going backwards with your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've landed on the number 2. So the answer is 2. 10 subtract 8 equals 2. If you wrote number 2 as the answer, give yourself a tick. If not, write number 2 next to it. This is your last one. Remember to pause the video, copy down the number sentence, and then work out the answer. Then write the answer at the end of your number sentence. Off you go. And this was the last one. 7 subtract 7. Oh, this one's going to make us think. So where am I going to start? I'm starting on 7. How many jumps am I going to make? How many am I subtracting? I'm subtracting 7. I'm counting back 7. Let's count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have landed on 0. 7 subtract 7 equals 0. Give yourself a tick if you wrote 0. If not, write the number next to it. Well done, Rainbow. We have worked really hard to subtract by counting back. Well done. Do you remember what today's target was? Yeah, that's right. It was to subtract by counting back. And I was looking to check that you can still recognise the symbols of subtract and equals, and that you could make the correct number of jumps to subtract. Now we have just gone through the answers and I can tell that you have done really well. You have learnt to subtract by counting back. You've used those number lines to jump backwards to find the answer. So well done. You can give yourself a smiley face. Super work, Rainbow. Rainbow Room, don't forget to share your work with us in school. I would absolutely love to see the work that you've done today. And you could send it to me in one of three ways. You could get your grown-ups to take a photo of it and send it to me via WhatsApp on the school mobile. You could take a photo and send it to me through our email. If you look on that purple square, it tells you Rainbow's email address. Or if you're out for a walk today for your exercise, you could post it in our postbox at the end of the school drive. Either way, I would love to see your work, so send it in to me, please. That would be fantastic. It's now the end of our numeracy lesson, Rainbow, so I'm going to say goodbye for today. Next time we're going to be learning all about addition. Take care.